Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to show you a vlog video of how my client section went. Stay tuned, subscribe to my channel if you haven't, like this video and share. This was how she came in with her hair, trust me. And we go with relaxing the hair. Then we go with washing thoroughly, adding shampoo, conditioning, well treated, well massaged, well cleaned. Trust me, this process is not your regular. Then this is my client filling her hair. We go with the drying, blow drying. I applied my heat protector first before blow drying. Make sure you do that. You don't want to damage your hair or your client's hair. Then we go with the blow drying. Then she decided to show my face. Look at this pretty stylist here. I know I am. Then this is her feeling her hair. You know, that vibe, that feeling. From this, when she came in, to this. Yo, this is a great job. This is bravo. Take a look at this. Looking shiny, longer, healthier. I mean, look at this. Then we proceed to our weaving because we are going for crochet. Cause she said she would like to be packing it all up. Then we had to go for this. Look at this weaving, so sweet, neat, and you know, soft hands, soft fingers. We are done with the weaving. Then next to crocheting, the crochet. And this is it, looking beautiful. She loved her hair. Yeah, she did. Take a look at my clients. I told you she loved her hair. She does. She loved it. Look at her, looking beautiful, sitting pretty. Yo, I did a great job. I know. Thank you. So guys, thank you for watching. Thank you for staying tuned. I love you guys. Bye.